Hey, this is Rockin' Robin, and as you can see, the clouds look really ominous. We're still getting rain. You can see that there is some bright sky in the back, but this clouds are getting darker and darker and darker, and they are definitely coming our way. We just had a rain storm, but it seems better now. I don't know how long the clouds will dark for. It's almost pretty. You can see we still had some rain. We're still getting rain, and we're getting a little, trees are starting to get windier. I'm having a hard time standing almost. There I go. Oh, another gust. Yes, it's definitely getting gusty. See if we can see some trees over here. Really wanting to shake. Really wanting to blow me off my feet. So it's definitely coming. I think we'll have more later tonight. They said sometime after 8. It's close to 8, so definitely upon arrival. I don't know how much we're going to get still. I'm still loving the clouds. I don't know if you could see the clouds moving, but they're moving very fast. And maybe if I didn't move, they wouldn't move so fast, but they're moving very fast. This is Rockin' Robin. I'm in Stuart, waiting for the hurricane. I'm gathering this is definitely from Hurricane Dorian. There's no doubt about that. We also are having tornado warnings, believe it or not. So you got to be wary of that. Once again, I'm going to show you the winds as they continue to pick up. I know it's hard to tell that they're windy, but it really is very windy. And yes, everything is ominous. I would say this is the start. I will definitely update you as I can. If you're just watching this and want to watch more, please hit the subscribe button, because if you hit the subscribe button, then I can tell you when you have an update, and you will have a new video up. If there's something else happens tonight, I will. If not, then I will have something in the morning, because they said it may happen in the middle of the night. Okay. Be safe.